मिडास मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, तो नागपुर। तो आज गए 45 साल से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, और मेरा एक ड्रीम था कि एक हॉस्पिटल ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जो स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट हो, कि जिसमें सभी फैसिलिटी होना चाहिए, राइट फ्रॉम ब्रेन टू टो। और ये ड्रीम 1.5 साल पहले सक्सेसफुल हो गया। तो आज तक हमारा हॉस्पिटल ज़्यादा करके पेट के बीमारियों के लिए परिचित है, मिडास नाम से। लेकिन अभी हमने ये सोचा है कि पेट के बाकी की चीज़ें भी पेट के बाहर करना चाहिए, और उसके लिए आज हमने एक ट्रॉमा सेंटर का एंड इमरजेंसी सेंटर का इनॉग्रेशन किया है। आज सुबह वो इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि ये फैसिलिटी हमारे पास होना चाहिए, क्योंकि इमरजेंसी मेडिसिन ये एक मरीज की जान बचा सकता है। कोई भी पेशेंट को हार्ट एकदम बंद होने से, हमारे यहाँ कोड ब्लू बोलने से, विद इन मैटर ऑफ 1 मिनट 10 लोग पेशेंट के पास पहुंचते हैं और उनकी जान बचाने का कार्यक्रम होता है। और ये होने के कारण हमने ऐसे बोलेंगे कि 10 में से 7 या 8 लोगों की जान बची है। सो इमरजेंसी अटेंशन देना ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। ऐसे कोई इंस्टेंसेस हॉस्पिटल में होते हैं तो इसको एक टीम फॉर्म करना ज़रूरी है। हमारे पास 10 लोगों की टीम बनी है कि जो ट्रॉमा केयर के लिए इक्विप्ड है। तो हमारे हिसाब से ये सेंटर का यूटिलाइजेशन होना चाहिए, ये बताने के लिए हमने आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया है। कि मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ सभी प्रेस भाइयों को कि जिन्होंने बड़े संख्या में आके इधर ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस और सवाल जवाब किए।
यहाँ पे किसी भी पेशेंट को कोई ऑर्थोपेडिक इंजरी या कंसल्टेशन की ज़रूरत हो, या फिर कंधे और घुटने की चोटों की कंसल्टेशन की ज़रूरत हो, तो मैं यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हूँ।
Madhurta, emergency patient. So I believe that emergency medical care is the face of the hospital. And as we were talking about the golden hour, it's not only about to save the life, it also reduces the morbidity as well.
माझं नाव डॉक्टर कौस्तुभ दादापूरकर आहे. इकडे ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन आहे आणि नी आणि शोल्डर स्पेशलिस्ट.
प्लीज थोड़ा सा लाउडली. नहीं आप थोड़ा सा लाउडली बात कीजिए.
I'm delighted to be a part of the trauma team. As you all know, in trauma, abdomen, thorax is one of the most crucial and important part, and I'm here to play that role, to give my services to the patients who come here.
Thank you.
A second chance of your life, and we are ready to do that here now. So its golden hour is seen in all the cases, either could be surgical or medical, cardiac, anything.
Which has the ability to do a stat CT scan on table also. So that is something that's not available in most centers, because then patients come with stroke. So in the golden hour, you can basically immediately do the CT on table and then do the cath lab. So that's the sort of new thing as well. It's a GE equipment, cath lab.
So she is a specialist in emergency care, and basically I think where there are very couple of only hospitals in Nagpur, those who have this specialist in emergency care. They will be intubating immediately, attending the patient, and in fact I've seen her first day only. She was there in our emergency trauma emergency unit, and she was teaching all the staff, taking the training for how to handle the emergency. So there has to be a protocol for handling emergency, and that she is an expert in it.
And also I think the concept of emergency medicine doctors is not there in, I think in India it's also now coming up. because this field in itself, if you, I trained in America, so I worked in America for a long time. So there would be dedicated emergency medicine doctors who are trained in it, and all the emergency rooms have emergency medicine trained doctors who know exactly what are the steps to be done. अगर कोई देखता है अमेरिकन सीरीज, कोई पुराने बहुत सारे सीरीज रहते हैं ऑनलाइन नेटफ्लिक्स इस पे, तो आप देखते हो कभी ERX सीरीज था, तो ये सब सीरीज में देयर आर डॉक्टर्स हु आर नॉट, देयर आर ऑल स्पेशलिस्ट इमरजेंसी डॉक्टर्स एंड द टीम, एंड आप देखते हो हाउ द इमरजेंसीज मैनेज, कैसे टेक्नीशियंस हैं, नर्सिंग स्टाफ है, इमरजेंसी डॉक्टर है, कितना रैपिडली वो रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं और कैसे इमरजेंटली पेशेंट को ठीक किया जाता है. इसमें तो पूरी एक सीरीज है. In India, this concept is only emerging now, where there are trained physicians in emergency medicine as a specialty, which is a novel thing. Because yes, our intensivists have been doing wonderful in terms of handling them, but this is a one step further. By having one person whose only job is to take care of the first 1 or 2 golden hours and do it in the best way possible before the team in the hospital takes over after that. So that I think is a welcome addition to treatment in India, and I'm really proud that MAM has joined us so that we can deliver the high quality care. Yes.
In an interview for 30 minutes on what is called as gut-brain interaction. So I'll forward that to you. In fact, it's ready to be circulated because it's not a very, it's not a thing which can be discussed in a couple of minutes. But I would tell you that many of these diseases are now supposed to be originating from the gut, and there is a strong gut-brain interactions, not only because of bacteria, but because of nervous connections, because of hormones, because of immunological प्रॉब्लम्स. सो पुराने जमाने में बोलते थे कि ये अपने पूर्वज कहते थे कि ये सब बीमारियां पेट से निकलती है, तो वो एक्चुअली ट्रू सेंस इट इज राइट, दैट आई वुड से.
Yes, and also to your point, what is the new in the field of gastroenterology? कभी 1 घंटे का टॉक हो जाएगा इस पे, तो सो इतना टाइम तो नहीं है सबके पास, लेकिन जैसे हमारा एक पॉडकास्ट सीरीज है, तो उस पर मैंने 45 मिनट्स का हमारा एक सुयश और ने किया है, तो आपको मैं एक सिनॉप्सिस बता दूं, तो बाकी डिटेल्स विल सेंड दैट वीडियो अक्रॉस सो दैट आपको भी उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा. नया फील्ड में ऐसा है कि सर्जरी में जैसे रोबोटिक्स करते हैं बाहर से इंसिजन करके, सर्जरी विच इज़ द मोस्ट एडवांस, ये अभी सर्जिकल फील्ड में. हमारे इसमें तो what we do sometimes is without incision also basically. So it's natural orifice surgery जो बोलते हैं, नोट्स. तो नोट्स के प्रोसीजर्स का जैसा हम कर रहे हैं अभी, जिसमें there is absolutely no incision at all. Recovery is rapid. Patients go home the same day or the day after, and there's no pain, no discomfort, no scar. And actually awareness on this is very, very limited, because most people are aware of surgery and people talk about that. But the fact is, this is, my surgery colleagues may be angry with me, but this has replaced surgery in a lot of instances. Not robotic surgery, just replaced surgery entirely for some conditions. Again, lot of conditions are best managed with surgery. But this is something new, natural orifice. We remove large tumors, we remove large cancers. We have, with all these techniques, we go inside areas which we never imagined we'll be able to see, like inside the pancreas, inside the bile duct. We can kill tumors with the help of, small electrodes, RFAs, what we call it, radio frequency ablation. With the help of endoscopy, with the technology, we make connections inside the intestines, which would be done in a span of 2 minutes. So this actually is a absolutely remarkable advancement in gastroenterology, which is something which only people would have dreamt of 15 years back, and this is a reality in 2025. We have been doing it for the last 5 years or 6 years, and we've had the largest experience in the entire central India to do all these advanced procedures in gastroenterology. So I think we'll send you the videos and the links through our team. So if you're interested, I think that will be a good. I think Chaitanya has previously reported some of these advancements. They are on board and they are aware of the facility. This is not something that we have the authority to do, because we have control over our fleet. So we have cardiac ambulance and stuff. So that will do. But whether it's deploying the private ambulances, it's more like an administrative government decision about how they want to do this.
No, basically, rather than sending our vehicle to the accident spot, it is always better to ask somebody's, the person should get urgent attention. That is the crux. So whatever available vehicle should transport the patient to the hospital at the earliest, to lose any time, wherever the accident is. If you send our vehicle and then the patient is transported, it becomes little time consuming.
Sorry, just to add on, जैसे अभी मैम ने पूछा था कि regarding ambulances, we are there. This is the crux basically. ये crux है. Most important is the life. और वो इंजन